Charlie, by the way, let me try. So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the breakdown. Okay guys, I think the song was played on key E. Yeah, so at the end of the song, they modulated the song to key F sharp, okay? You understand? So we are going to play the song on key F sharp, okay? So let's start with the first one. So dun 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 dun, fa so 4 5 5 5. Okay, so now to your 6, and he did a passing note. That is 2 sharp 3 down to your 6, okay? You understand? Okay, so 2 sharp 3, then you play 5 6 6 3 5 6. Then he did a little lick to your 1, okay? Dun 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 dun. Okay, you understand? Okay, so 5 6 1 5 2 1 sharp and your 1. Okay, so it goes like this. So now to your 6 again. So he played 2 3, then you play your 6 sharp and your 6. Okay, so to your 6, that's how he played. So now to your 2 5 6. Okay, so 5 6 1 sharp and 2. Okay, and now to your 5. So to 6 to 5. You understand? Okay, just you can just pick 1 or 2 groove from this and maybe apply it in another song. Okay, so okay, then he remained on the so. Okay, then now you are now coming to the do. 3 5 1 6. Okay, then 1 6 7 5 7 1. Okay. Okay, so 3 5 1 6 7 5 1. Okay, you understand? So it's very simple. So dun 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 7 5 7 1. So you understand? I hope you have gotten the first concept. Okay. You understand? Okay, then he did something like this. Dun, 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 dun. So it goes like this. So 1, you have your 2 here, then you play your 6 and your 2, then you use your 3rd finger to play the mi, Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Then on your B string, you just strike it to your B string, and then you play your. You understand? So you just play it to your 5. So he did the 5 like this. 5. Okay. 5, 2, 5. You understand? Then he played a little lick over here. Back to your 6. Okay. So you understand? Okay. So 2, 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6. I hope you got that. Okay. 3, 6. Okay. Then 7, 5, 7, 1. Then the first one I taught you. Then you play 5, 7, 1. Okay. So now to your 6, and he'll be doing this run. You understand? So dun, 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 dun. So he did it this way. You understand? So 1, 2, 2 sharp, 3. Then you play 5, 1, 6. 1, 6, 1, 6, 7, 5, 7, 1. 1, 6, 7, 5, 7, 1. You understand? Okay. So he played a lick over there. So the lick goes on 1, 4, 5, 5, 5. Okay. So when he done playing this, okay. So let's check on that. Okay. So it goes like this: 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 5, 5, 2, 2 sharp, 3. You understand? Okay. So you understand? And back to your 6. So 2, 3, 2, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1 sharp. Then you play your 6, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you play 5, 5 sharp and your 6. So he did something over here. Okay. So it goes like this. When you've done playing your 5, 5 sharp and your 6, then you play like you are doing a chromatic over here. Okay, so you understand? So dun, 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 dun. Then you play 2, 2 sharp, 3. Then he did some cool stuff over here. Okay, so when you've done playing 2, 2 sharp, 3, 2, 2 sharp, 3, then you come over here. It's like you're playing so si la 5, 5 sharp and your 6. Okay, then you do 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, then you end the song. That is on your 2. Then 2, 6, 2, 1, 1, dun, 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 dun. That is how he ended the song. Okay, so 5, 6, 1, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. You understand? Okay, you can just pick 1 or 2 stuff from this bass line. Okay, and even in case you made this song, you can just apply what you've learned from here and apply to the song. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.